In this video, I want to show you actually how to call out with your phone number. Once you have your phone number, you go to, and it's registered, it's ready to go. You're also able to receive text messaging. You can actually go into your contacts and you can individually like call. You can click on this phone button up here and you can actually dial and start calling right here. You can also see here. This contact doesn't have a phone number, so let me go to another one. Let's see right here. Another test one. It may not work because it's not a working phone number here, but you can see that there is a phone right there showing up because this contact has a phone number. So I can click this number right here and I can actually start dialing. And I'm going to go hang up because that's not a real number. But you can click on the phone and start dialing out and making your phone calls. Another thing is that let me switch sub accounts because what I was showing a client of mine, if you have multiple numbers here, depending on what your default number is, maybe you're the second or third person on this account. And what I noticed is that if you're not the primary, your phone number, you have to actually switch back and forth. So let me see if I can jump into another account to show you exactly what I mean. So somebody called here. I don't even actually know who this, I think it was a spammer, but they called in here. But here's an example here. The text message is set up with the main phone number. But if I want to respond back with the other line number, you actually need to make sure that your user has their phone number connected to that to you as a user. So if I was this phone, if that's my phone number, but I don't have that connected, I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And you don't want to call out from this, which is the default number. You have to come in here and switch it and then call or text message from that phone number. Same thing up here. If I click on this button here and I don't want it to be from my main line and I want it to be the other line, I have to switch it. Let me show you how to fix that. So you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to my staff. I'm going to click on, let me close this. Click on the account that you want to, the person that you want to make sure that their settings, and when I click ahead and click the edit button and go into the call and voicemail settings and make sure their inbound phone number is set up to the number that you want, so that they're connected to that phone number, and then go ahead and save. So I'm not going to save that right now. I wanted to show you that little trick there because it was a great question that one of my clients had for me. So they were having to switch back and forth from the default number. And so you just want to make sure that their user is connected to the phone number that they want to use ongoing. And then that will make sure that when they're in their contacts, they can dial from the right number and be able to receive calls back to the right phone number. If you have any questions on this one, let me know, and we'll see you on the next video. Much love and aloha.